This is Slasher's playground. This is where you'll find both of us when I'm not making videos, which is kind of why there hasn't been that many recently. Where are you going? We're very proud of how it came out. We've got the crawl through log, we've got the slide, the tree house, the rope bridge, sunken in trampoline, which is one of my childhood dreams. And of course, we've got the swing set. Oh no, he's got a weapon. What are your plans with that, huh? Should we put your hat on? There we go. I thought so. I feel like this stick is really dangerous. I don't know if you should be holding that. Ah, he's gonna kill me. Job. You ready? Steady. Woo! Should we go on the rope bridge? Hey, good job. Ready, steady.